I guess just one guy put this whole thing together, and all Laura did was attach 1 or 2 screws just to say she did something on here. And you see how this is loose right here? And I'm thinking this panel here is probably going to come out next. And you see, you take these 3 screws out right here on the end, and this panel here should swivel out and down. But you know what? I don't think that's the next step. They had, you know, if you get one of these, you can put it together yourself, and it comes with directions and all. She doesn't have the directions, of course. We can't find them anywhere. But I think maybe the next step is to pull these seats off, and they're just loose. I got to take this one off first. That way I can see if this side bit is screwed into this wall. I'm not quite sure about that just yet. So let's just kind of see what's going to happen here. And I'm trying to be careful about not marking this up because my feet's got some glue. You know, I've been using these shoes for all kinds of stuff now. Maybe it doesn't. Hey, you know what?
Those were pitted before the walls.
Wait, I'm thinking that these seats got to come out because these seats might be attached to the side walls to get the walls out. You don't think they're attached?
No, because the seats came in first, and then then the side walls came up.
Okay.
The door came up.
All right, so we got to get an Allen wrench. I think I'm going to undo these 3 screws and see if this side panel can come out first. We're going to leave that one intact. Okay. I'm going to take this first side panel out. I think that's the way to go.
But that's not the way it came out. I remember just a couple of things because I was away mostly.
Well, hey, when you don't have the directions, you do what you got to do, right? Now, where are those Allen wrenches?
Well, they look like. I have to help.
Yes, these are Allen wrenches. You see that? That's an Allen wrench, and that just happens to be. Wasn't that something? The first one I picked up was the right one. Hey, where's my camera woman?
Right here?
Okay.
Okay, I'm sorry. There you go.
Now see, I'm just going to undo these screws. Hopefully this whole thing doesn't come crashing down on me. I got to remember how to put this whole thing back together because it's going to go back up, right?
Yes.
We get done.
Oh, yes.
Okay.
I feel almost naked without.
You know what? I'm gonna leave that one in just a hair, and I'm gonna take the top one out first. Well, next. I took the bottom one out. Now I'm gonna take the top one out. And I don't have an electric drill. Why? Because Laura here has no electric battery operated drill, do you?
No.
No, you don't. Okay. Are you catching all this?
Yes.
Okay, there's my first step. And I'm going to see, I think this whole thing is, this panel is going to slide out of here. What do you think?
I'm not sure. Because
Is it sliding?
No, because I'm thinking these 2 screws hold something together.
Okay, hold on.
Was,
Hoist. Gotta make that noise sometimes. Okay, here we go. What the heck?
because you have to undo those 2 screws that I screwed
You think
in.
so?
Yeah. That's the
Okay,
key
you-
here. That's the key.
You think, jeez. Okay,
Don't
well,
force it.
I just,
Don't force it.
all right, so I'm gonna slip this back. Can you, you might have to go in there and lift that seat up because this fits underneath the seat just a hair.
Get the seats up.
Okay, now I can't get it See that slot right there
Um,
in the front? It's hitting that.
okay, because we need to do this.
Okay. It's not happening.
No, because those two screws are pertinent
Okay.
to this
Well,
disassembly.
jeez. All right, I guess we're gonna have to do what you said. Okay, we'll try that first. To take those two screws off down there. So you want me to take those two screws off first?
Please.
Okay.
Please, Jerome.
All right, I'll do it.